Hey, welcome back. This is Dave Espino, and today I want to answer the question, how much time should I invest in creating a passive income? This is a great question. Let me give you a quick answer. The quick answer is, how many passive income streams do you want, right? Because for me, it takes me about 6 to 8 hours to create one online course. And I use online courses to create passive income. So if it takes me about 6 to 8 hours, let's just say it takes me one full working day, in the typical 9 to 5 model, to create an online course. Well, I could hypothetically create a course every single day, right? Now, I don't do that because part of the work is creating the online course, and then part of it is publishing the course and maybe doing a little bit of initial marketing to get the course launched. But in general, I could conceivably at least create an online course every week. And I've been on paces like that where I've actually done that. In fact, 1 week, I created 5 online courses. This was back in November of 2015, I believe. And it was amazing. It gave me a great income boost. So if you're in the online course business, the question should be, instead of how much time can I dedicate or should I dedicate to creating passive income, the question really should be, how many online income streams do I want? Because really the sky's the limit. When you know how to create an online course, that's like having your own superpower. You could create online courses about any kind of topic, and you don't have to be an expert to do that. You could research out your course topic and create a course based on your research. You could create a beginner's course and create a course that only takes care of the newbies in that business, right? So you don't have to be, a lot of times people think, oh, I have to be this end-all, be-all expert. I have to be this world's leading authority on this topic. That's not the case. All kinds of people can learn from you, even if you create a beginner's course on a topic. Let me tell you, some of the 60 plus courses that I've created, I was not an expert on, and yet people are getting tremendous value from these courses. They're giving my courses high ratings, and they continue to buy my courses. And the reason is, it's a well put together course that teaches them what I promised to teach them. For that, you don't have to be the world's leading authority, right? So back to the question, how much time should I dedicate to creating passive income? It really depends on how much passive income you want. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video.